I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Activision Blizzard raised its first quarter profit outlook to 49 cents per share, up from 20 cents per share due to strong video game demand and the deferral of certain expenses. On an adjusted basis, the company expects earnings of 72 cents per share. CEO Robert Kotick said, quote, "We benefit from the record-breaking launch of the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 map pack, which was previously expected to launch in the June quarter. Additionally, certain operating expenses previously planned for March quarter will now be incurred in the June quarter," end quote. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more on that story, visit our website, tradethetrend.com.